The most awaited event finally took place yesterday in California, where Apple launched its all new products, which include the iPhone 13, Apple Watch 7 series, iPad mini version, and iPad 2021. We'll talk about all these gadgets in details. Hi, you're watching India Today Tech. This is Simran Srivastava with you, and let me take you through all these new gadgets in details. So first, let's talk about the iPhone 13 series. The iPhone 13 series consists of iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Now coming up to iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, these are available in 4 new colors, which are gold, silver, graphite and all new Sierra Blue. Now talking about the display, the iPhone 13 Pro has a display of 6.1 inch, whereas the Pro Max has a display of 6.7 inch. It also comes with 120 Hz of adaptive refresh rate, which means, and using a ProMotion technology, which means that your screen adjusts itself according to the contents displayed on the screen. Not only this, iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max are redesigned from inside, having a larger battery life. It also has an IP68 rating to water and dust resistance. Now talking about the storage and variants, iPhone 13 Pro starts at 1,19,900 for 128 GB. You will get the 256 GB at a price of 1,29,900 rupees. The 512 GB, you will get it at 1,49,900 rupees, and 1 TB you will get for rupees 1,69,900 rupees. Now the prices for iPhone Pro Max are as follows. The iPhone Pro Max starts with rupees 1,29,900 rupees for 128 GB. For 256 GB you have to spend 1,39,900 rupees. For 512 you need to spend 1,59,900 rupees, and for 1 TB you have to spend 1,79,900 rupees. Now let's talk about the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. The iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini comes in pink, blue, starlight, moonlight and product red colors. The iPhone 13 has a display of 6.1 inch, whereas the iPhone 13 mini comes in 5.4 inch display. Both have the all-new A15 Bionic chip and have a dual camera setup with 12MP ultra-wide lens to capture low-light photography. Also provides you with cinematic mode of video recording. It has got an all-new image sensor technology and also comes with a high-resolution video recording in 4K with 60 FPS. Talking about the water and dust resistance, it has got IP68 rating and the battery life is larger than iPhone 12. Both iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini comes in 3 storage variants, which are priced accordingly. So first let's talk about the iPhone 13 storage variants and the prices. The iPhone 13 starts with 128 GB, which is priced at 79,900 rupees. iPhone 13 256 GB is priced at rupees 89,990 and iPhone 13 512 GB is priced at rupees 1,09,900 rupees. Now talking about the iPhone 13 mini series, it comes again in 3 storage variants. The 128 GB is priced at rupees 69,900 rupees. The 256 GB is priced at rupees 79,900 rupees and the 512 GB is priced at 99,900 rupees. Now that was all about the iPhone 13 series. Now let's talk about Apple Watch 7 series. As the rumor suggested that the Apple Watch 7 series will be having flat edges, but it is seen that it has got curved edges with a wider display to almost fit in 50% of your text. Talking about the features, it is almost similar to the previous generation Apple Watches with few modifications, like this time it has got powerful sensors to monitor your activity and has also got a larger battery life. Apple says that Apple Watch 7 series will be available later this year. Now let's talk about iPad mini. True to its name, iPad mini is compact, portable and is packed with some amazing features. It has a 8.3-inch liquid retina display and 500 nits of brightness. The CPU is 40% faster, all thanks to A15 Bionic chip. Talking about the camera, the rear camera is 12 megapixel and the front camera is of 12 megapixel, again supporting center stage technology. It supports Apple's second generation pencil and comes with stereo speakers and Type-C charging port. Also, it has got a 5G network connectivity and the battery life is longer than the previous one. Talking about the price, iPad mini starts at 46,900 rupees and for Wi-Fi and cellular models, you will get it for 60,900 rupees. Lastly, Apple says that iPad 2021 is a versatile gadget with a screen of 10.2-inch liquid retina display. It also supports True Tone technology. Talking about the camera, the rear camera is of 8 megapixel and the front camera is of 12 megapixel which supports center stage. It is powered by A13 Bionic chip and has got a Type-C charging port. iPad 2021 comes in two color variants, which is silver and space grey. It also supports Apple's first generation pencil. Talking about the price, iPad 2021 starts at rupees 30,990 while Wi-Fi plus cellular models comes at 42,900. So that was all about Apple's new launches. Pre-booking starts from 17 September, 5:30 p.m. onwards according to the Indian time, and sale starts from 24th September. Stay tuned for many more updates on iPhone 13 and the new launches only on India Today Tech. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out any notification. Thank you so much.